St. Louis issued a tornado. No.
Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for
Oh, tornado warning, look.
Long County, Eastern Madison County.
Yeah, they issued a tornado warning, St. Louis.
Northern Washington County.
Let's go.
Northeastern St. Clair County in southwestern Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:10 p.m. severe thunderstorms
Listen, guys.
producing both tornadoes and extensive straight line wind damage were located along a line extending from Livingston to near O'Fallon to near Millstadt, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
Did you hear that?
Expected hazards include tornado.
Yep.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will
Oh
occur.
my god.
Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near.
They said these dangerous storms will be
Swansea,
near.
Shiloh, Highland, Muscuda, Lebanon, Freeburg, Scott Air Force Base, and Smithton around 6:15
God,
p.m.
that's a lot.
Trenton and Sorrento around 6:20 p.m. New Baden, Houston, Pocahontas, and Reno around 6:25 p.m. St. Rose, Albers, Jamestown, and New Memphis around 6:30
Boy,
p.m.
there's so much.
Other locations in the Pacific.
Look at the tornado right there.
include
It's on the
Greenville,
ground.
Breeze,
It's gonna intensify probably.
Oakville, Beckenmeyer, Beaver Creek, Carlisle, Mulberry Grove, Tamalco, and Boulder. This also includes Carlisle Lake Recreational Area. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 24 and 52. Interstate
I'm gonna make a
64
live
in
stream,
Illinois
guys.
between-
What the heck?
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid wind.
What the heck is just cut off?
A tornado warning remains in effect.
Dude, these
until
storms are
6:45
crazy
p.m.
right
for
now.
Northeastern Madison and southeastern Macoupin counties in southwestern Illinois. At 6
Bro, why are they gonna issue a tornado watch? Because they need to issue a one.